Here's the top back deck all molded. This is crazy. I can't wait to take this one off and see what it looks like. I should really let it set overnight. Make sure it maintains the bend. But this is the first one where I want to see it. I'm really liking this Z-Epoxy made by Zap epoxy. It seems to be really high quality stuff. I mean, it's set. I probably did this over an hour ago, maybe 2 hours, I don't remember. So right in here you can see the blue tape that I have on the edge of my lip of the hatch that I molded. So that's inside there. In this section here, across through here and here, this is all where these corner pieces tie in, right through here. And this is going to be like the bridge across the back of the transom for both of them. But in between, I got 3 layers of fiberglass total on here. So gel coat, layer fiberglass, then I put some extra strips after the first coat through here and through here on both sides. Then another layer of fiberglass and then extra strips, and then this final layer, the entire thing is one piece of fiberglass. So I'm strengthening so I don't get any cracks. The joint where these corner pockets are joined into the whole structure. But there it is. Got my curve in there, got my corner pockets. It's kind of interesting when I put these extra strips in here, here, and here, how you can see if you drop down at an angle here, you can see it, the lip is raised up a little bit, but yeah, there's a hatch under there molded into it. Should give me a perfect fit. So can't wait to pull it. The back top deck for the ProBoat UL19XR, which this piece will go in the front, and then I'll be matching this curb here. This piece I just made will cover the back top deck. And when my carbon fiber comes in, when I put all of this, the tub and this, pull this whole setup out of here, pull these screws, I'll be taking this tub, putting it back in this mold here and assembling the whole thing. And I'll be putting a carbon fiber transom on the joint here. There'll be a former, and probably put a former right where the boom tubes go, the back one. And with this quarter round that I got, this molded for this quarter round, probably right in here will be the front boom tubes. So maybe I'll put a former up in here, not sure yet. So it's coming along. What a project. Molding a boat, a modded, bashed boat in fiberglass. Fun project.